Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is moving in a range. Okay, if you look at from month of April, you will see that there is a range bound market is happening for the price of gold. Okay, in that what we have seen, it has made twice high. It would have made high at this particular level if it would have sustained, but this level is already being a strong resistance. So probability was very high that if the price started going above this level, we can see it. If it started sustaining above this level, we can see a further upside movement. But if that didn't sustain, it will again, it has already come in this zone. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustaining above this level, we can see it will go above a level of $2387. Okay, and if it's sustaining above this level, then we can see it can cross a level of 2400 also, and then a probability of touching this high and the second high also, and it probability of making new high will be there. But if you look at this particular chart, chances are high, as we have seen a level of around 2349 is already being a weak support. So chances are high if the price moving below this level, we can see a level of 2340, and if started going below this level, a further downfall we can see. And we can see that as soon as this breakout happens, we can see a probability that it will move below a level of 2300. This is a day wise chart. If you go on a 15-minute chart also, if you are an intraday trader, you will understand that what is happening, that whenever it is moving out of a zone, we have seen an upside movement as well as a downfall. Or if whenever it a swing form, that is where we have seen that it is coming down. Why swing form? See, the two similar patterns are forming. If we look at a 15-minute chart, that is a U pattern forming. So if the price started falling again below a level of 2360, we can see a further fall and it can go towards 2358, and then it can move below a level of $2355, and chances of crossing this level also we can see. But if starts at sustaining above this level, then a probability of touching 2365, and then a probability of crossing a level of 2368 is also there, and then a further upside movement. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, okay, looking at this particular chart on a device, you will see that there is a continuous upside we have seen, and if the price keep moving above this level, a further high we can see. Okay, now if you go on and look at the dollar index, you have to understand that dollar index plays an important role, okay, in deciding the price of gold as well as other commodities movement. Now it has going below a level of $105. So what we can see looking at this particular chart, this is a 15-minute chart I'm showing you. The price has moved and touched a level of 105 and then came down again. Going back on a device chart, you will see clearly that how the price is moving. It is trying to form a green zone. Okay, if it sustain above this level, a further upside movement we can see, but it has to go above a level of 105.2, then only we can see there will be a probability of upside, but it is trying to go down. Okay, so a further fall we can see, which will in turn increase the price of gold. Okay, so you have to understand, if the price sustaining above a level of 105.2, a further upside movement, but if the price started falling again below a level of 104.8, a further fall we can see. Okay, now going back on gold prices. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see, it can touch a level of $2365, okay, which is a resistance one after this level, and once started sustaining above this level, it can cross a level of 2368, which is a resistance 2, which is already being a weak resistance. And once started sustaining over this level, then the next level we can see coming at a level of around 2378, which is also being tested already, that is an R3, and chances of crossing that level we can see, then it will cross a level of $2387. Okay, suppose if the price moving above this level, we can see it will cross a level of $2391, and from there it will go above a level of $2393. As soon as the price started going over this level, it will cross that level, and yes, after that it can cross a level of 2397, and then a probability of moving towards a level of 2422 will be there. Okay, and then making a new high also we can see in the price of gold, because we have seen today there can be an event which is create a good volatility, but you have to understand, if you are trailing your SL, you can sustain the volatility by $10 or $15. Okay, so that your profit should not be wiped out. Always remember to trail your SL. Okay, because by trailing your SL you will save your profit. Okay, and if you are saving your profit, risk ability will increase and your capital will also increase. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, then the next support coming at a level of $2358, which is support 1, and if started going below this level, we will see it will go below a level of $2350, which is already being tested here. So chances are it will fall further down, and a probability of going towards 2338 will be there. Okay, that is a level of support 3, so chances are high it will fall further low, and a probability of going towards 2335 will be there, and then to a level of $2331. Okay, this is the level. So if it started going below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2325, and then if the price falling below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2309. We falling below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2300, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall towards 2295, and then further low if the price didn't sustain that level. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.